Welcome dear students for this class on strategies to promote mental wellness in inclusive classrooms. The title means how to make students feel safe, supported, comfortable, especially when they are differently abled and when they have diverse needs. So why this mental wellness matters in inclusive classrooms? It can be put under three headings. First one is the reality, the opportunity, and the foundation. So the reality of our present education system matters, and the opportunities that are given to improve their learning conditions to gain confidence. And the third one is the foundation, which is the basic of all learning. Mental wellness, of course, it is the foundation for learning effectively. Creating a safe and supportive environment. It's very important to build trust through connections, especially when we create a rapport among the students, between the teacher and the student. We have to greet, we have to smile and create a very good learning experience and relationship. And a design for flexibility should be there. When their needs are varied, we have to find options, especially in seating arrangement where they get individual care and attention. And we also should create predictability with clear routines and visual supports. We should use appropriate teaching aids to reduce anxiety and foster a sense of learning supportively and stable. Build positive relationships and communication. It is very, very important to build relationship, and communication is a very good effective means to develop relationship. This can be done under three headings. First one is establish inclusive norms. The routines and rules and the way of communication should be formed correctly, regularly. And the second one is schedule regular check-ins. Third one is normalize mental health. So this mental health is such an important topic that we need to practice in our day-to-day classrooms. The next one is flexibility. Inclusive instructional practices. First one is differentiate instruction according to the needs of the students. Provide advanced materials and offer multiple ways to implement those in the classrooms so that they learn according to their individual needs. Next one is integrate mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Movement breaks are needed. Use proper yoga poses, stretching or warming up activities in the class which can reduce tension. Self-care resources. They should have some displaying of posters and provide materials that promote emotional awareness and healthy coping strategies visibly. Daily mindfulness practice should be incorporated in the classroom activities. So this will help the children to collaborate with their families and mental health professionals. When they come to deal with the students, we can get their help and support. We can have in-service communications among the teachers with the parents so that it will be our shared resources proactively, and professional partnerships will take place. Designing for diversity and predictability is very much needed. So structural flexibility will bring balanced, predictable routines with responsive support to meet diverse needs. This can be done under three headings. First one is individualized attention, where we use the co-teaching and varied staffing strategies to provide personalized support. Next is clear expectation, where we structure the lessons with consistent schedules and explicit goals to reduce uncertainty. Next, the third one is cultural representation. Every individual need of the student should be represented and taken care. So the next one is evidence of impact, real world success stories. So transformed classrooms will really have inspiring personals. The teacher herself should be a role model, and she should also help students to give personal attention, especially when the students face anxiety in coping up and where ADHD thrive with flexible seating and mindfulness practices. All infrastructure should be there in the classroom according to the needs of the children. Measurable improvement. So there should be ample infrastructure structure available to measure the improvement, especially in their assessment process. Schools see better attendance, increased engagement, and stronger peer relationships. Building resilience is very important. Research shows that inclusive classrooms promote empathy and resilience for all students. So thereby we promote building mentally healthy, inclusive classrooms together. So we can start small. Every little step will lead to great success. Communicate clearly. Whenever we communicate clearly according to the level of the students, our teaching and learning will happen effectively in the classrooms. So as the more we integrate mindfulness, the more we collaborate fully, the more learning happens comfortably. Thank you, students. I welcome you all to follow different strategies according to our needs in the inclusive classrooms. Thank you.